Hello, I'm Rachel, a trainer at Fashion Makerspace. Welcome to our first episode of Sewing Snacks and Hacks. Today I'll be showing you how to use a sewing machine, and I will be demonstrating on my brother machine. Most machines will have a very similar setup, so don't worry if you have a different brand or model. The concept is about the same. Okay, let's get started. First, we have to fill out our bobbin. Place your thread here. And remember to put the cap back on. Put your empty bobbin here. And I'm going to wind the thread towards it. Wind your thread clockwise, roughly about 5 times. Slide the extra thread into the notch to cut. Give it a pull, cut. Push your bobbin firmly to the right until it clicks in place. And press your feed pedal to start the winding. Once you're done, just cut. Shift it back to the left and remove the bobbin. Now, once you have a filled bobbin, you will need to place it in the bobbin case. So just open up the case and pop it in. Which direction should you put it in? Just remember the letter P. So here, P. Put it in and close it. Finally, we'll need to thread the needle. Let's begin from the start. And I'll be winding it this way. When you reach this stage, you need to look out for the hook that will appear right here. If you cannot see it, roll your hand wheel until it appears. Once I have the hook at the highest point, I will continue to thread, making sure that the thread is caught on the hook. Now, depending on your machine, you may or may not have an automatic threader, so I'll teach you the manual way to thread the needle. First, trim the tip of the thread on a diagonal. And then go from the front to the back. That's it. Before you start sewing, I'll quickly point out some important features that you have to take note of. So firstly, let's look here. This is the tension dial. What you have to do is check the smallest and the largest number on your dial and place it right in the middle. So for example, mine is 9 to 0. So for my machine, I will place it at 4 or 5 if you want. Next, we have the footer lever, this grey lever right here. So the footer lever controls the footer, which is this thing. Lift it up to place fabric in, put it down to begin sewing. So when I want to put fabric in, lift it up, When I want to sew, put it down. Remember never to slam the footer down as it may damage the machine. So what I mean is, don't just push it down this way. Okay, that is not good for the machine. Reverse button. Press this to sew a back stitch, which will help lock the stitches in place, and I would highly recommend to use 3 to 4 back stitches at the start and end of every stitch. So let me demonstrate. I've done 4 stitches forward, now I'm going to do 4 stitches backwards. Then I'll continue to sew. When I'm done with my stitch, another 4 stitches backwards. Lastly would be the hand wheel. Okay, right here. This controls the needle and there's only one correct way to turn it, down towards yourself. Turning it the other way may cause knots and jam your machine. So just turn it down towards yourself and down towards yourself. So you can see as I'm turning, my needle is going down and up. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay tuned every Wednesday for more tips and tricks. See you soon.